In this quick tutorial, you will learn how to make the wipe transition in DaVinci Resolve 15. Let's go! All we have to do is to have two clips. The best thing is to have something like wood or ram or something coming from the second clip so you can align your wipe transition, but we don't have it right now. And that's when the fun begins. So first, in my video 2, I have the first clip, and in window 1, I have the second clip. And let's manage a little bit. All right. So I want it to be like here. Now, all we have to do is go to the color and we need to find the beginning. So here is the beginning. We want to start the wipe transitions coming. You will click the pen, which you got here, and we are going to create ourselves a window. When we are here in the window mode, just click on a node with the right click and add alpha output. Okay, and connect the square with the blue circle. When we have it right now, let's say we need to invert. I click on a pen and right now there is a button which is like black and white. Just click it and you will have invert. Now we are going to animate it. So you will click on a character in the red button here and we are going. So this is just the beginning. And now let's animate it like this, like this. I'm going with 2 frames, 3 frames. All right. Okay. And let's play it how it looks like. I think it's going to be so ugly. Let's see. Okay. But first I need to move also here. No, it can be, it needs to be also here. Opa. It looks so damn bad, but I still love it. So the point is that it's the best to have a footage when you go and you got like on the start of the second video, you have a wood or something like that, a tree, you can follow lines. Because right now I was just doing the window out of my own mind. And if I would have something here that I could follow, that would be much more effective. And that's when the wipe transition is the best. So this is just a short intro how to actually do that. I know it looks bad. I tried. And that's about it. So yeah. Thank you all. If you like this video and I didn't like it, I know, you can subscribe and write in the comments that you can support me that it wasn't that ugly, Marcus. It was all right. And yeah, that's about it. See ya. Goodbye.